Ay, caramba. When I look at all of the things that you've done in this unit, I'm really impressed. You're learning pretty fast. Let's go to the activity sheets now. It's time to look at our activity sheets. Activity sheets. Activity sheets. It's time to look at our activity sheets. So take them out right now. Our first activity sheet for today in this review starts off with our gender of nouns, okay? Remember, we talked about that quite a bit, and we've looked at it in different things. So identify each noun as masculine or feminine. Circle your answer. Universidad. That ending tells me that it is a feminine noun. Circle your answer there. After that, we talked about articles. The. Okay, we start off with the definite articles. The. Okay, now write the correct definite article that goes with each noun. Well, let's look at this first one. Borrador. We know that that is a masculine noun because it ends with R. It's singular, so we're looking for the singular masculine definite article, and that is el. El. Okay, write your answer in there. Next thing that we looked at are the indefinite articles, a, and, some in English, and un, una, unos, unas in Spanish. Okay, let's go ahead and write the correct indefinite article that goes with each noun. Again, we're starting off with borrador. As we just talked about, that is singular and masculine. So we use the singular masculine indefinite article, un, and write it right in there. Okay. Moving along pretty quickly here. Now we're going to talk about plurals. Remember, we gave you some rules for forming plurals. Those should be pretty easy to remember. Circle the correct plural form of each noun. So all you have to do is recognize it. Ciudad. It ends with a consonant, so we are going to do what? Is it ciudades, ciudadse, or ciudades? Well, with a consonant, we add the es. So circle that. Next part is cognates. Cognates are really easy, mean all the same, almost the same thing in English and Spanish. For example, matemáticas. You can figure that one out, can't you? Go ahead and do that next section, and let's look at subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are the things that we talked about. I, you, he, she, all of those. Okay, what I'd like you to do here is to match the correct English subject pronoun with the same Spanish subject pronoun. So usted, remember usted, we talked about tú and usted. Usted means that you, and it's the formal way of saying that. So that's this one down here, letter D. All you have to do is write your answer right up there, okay? Pretty easy. Again, you should be recognizing almost all of this and saying, this is so easy. And if you're saying that, you're doing a good job. Adjectives. Remember, we want to match the gender and number of the adjectives to the nouns that they're modifying. So circle the correct form of the adjective for the given noun. Muchacha. Muchacha, well, that ends in A. It's feminine. It's singular. So we want a singular feminine ending. We have alto, altas, or alta. Singular feminine ending for that is going to be alta. Just circle that. Okay, should be pretty easy. Now we talked about numbers quite a bit. We had that whole page with all of the numbers listed. For the next part, what I'd like you to do is just write the Spanish word from the answer key next to each number. So look at your different numbers here. You go ahead and select it from here and write your answer in the blank where it belongs, okay? Okay, now you said you wanted something easy. Here you go. Here's an easy activity. Writing your verb stems. All you have to do is take off your AR, ER, or IR endings. So plantar becomes plant. Piece of cake. And speaking of cake, Check this out. Our next activity is verb conjugation. We've been working on this so much it should seem second nature to you. What I'd like you to do is circle the correct conjugation of the given verb. And we're talking AR, ER, and IR here. Remember, if we have nosotros, and the verb is hablar, those nosotros always end with MOS. So is it habla, hablamos, or hablo? Well, it's hablamos. All we have to do is circle that right there. Pretty easy. And then we're going to write the indicated form of the verb in parentheses. Okay, see how we're taking it up a notch here? Ellos, blank, los libros, we're going to use estudiar. Start off with our stem. Studi, and it's ellos, so I know it's going to be an AN ending. Ellos estudian los libros. Okay. And now here's your chance to pick up some more extra credit. Down here at the bottom we have saludos, greetings, and we have some common phrases. Let's look at these. Write the letter of the English phrase that matches the Spanish phrase. For example, hola. What does that mean? Hola, hola, hola means hello. Boy, picking up some extra credit doing things like that seems almost unfair. Go ahead and go through these activity sheets. You should do just fine on all of them. Those are our activity sheets for today.